So Father's Day is right around the corner. You can still see there are tons of products that are already best-selling products for a Father's Day. And if you're not thinking about creating Father's Day products right now, I want to encourage you. Now is the perfect time. So I want to share with you 5 Father's Day products that are doing extremely well on Etsy. And if you can focus on these designs can be a game changer for your Etsy business. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So when we look at Father's Day products, we need to make sure that we have our product already done complete on Etsy so that the algorithm can have about 30 to 60 days bare minimum to even understand what our product is. So if you're focusing on Father's Day, now is the perfect time. And I want to share with you these 5 trending designs. Here is a Father's Day product that has done extremely well. Again, this is one that we have seen to do well over multiple niches, but for Father's Day, this is still going to be a game-winning product. As you can see here, is bringing in these popular titles for dad, which I think is an easy winner in my humble opinion. You can see with this design here is definitely focused on the dads and the papas and the grandpas. And this is what I mean by, even if you're selling a product for a specific person, there's different terminologies for that person that can be used. This is a great example of that. Now, even though we're looking at this as a PNG design, most of what I find to be a top selling products for print on demand first shows up as a PNG product. And if you are selling print on demand products, Printify is my #1 place to sell all of my print on demand products. They make it really easy for you to focus on high quality design, just like we're talking about in today's video. But they do all the printing and shipping for you. They have over 1,300 products. Now, even though in today's video we're talking about creating a Father's Day design perfect for print on demand t-shirts, Printify has a ton of things that could do well for Father's Day with their multiple products they have available. Some of the areas that we found to do well besides selling t-shirts are hats and hoodies for Father's Day. Coffee mug type of products do extremely well during Father's Day as well. Printify even have the option for you to create these custom golf balls. So if you do want to check out Printify on your own, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. You can get started absolutely for free here and get access to all of their 1,300 products they have available for you to sell with Etsy. Again, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. So with that being said, this is definitely a product I would create for print on demand, but definitely changes up a little bit to fit our niche even better. And I think one of the easy ways to go to really niche down is with the hunting theme. So here is an example of a product I was able to create. As you can see here, it's definitely taken upon that same phrase, obviously dad here, but it's bringing in that camo in a unique hunting style theme that I think can do extremely well. Here's another example of this, which I think came out great and can do well for print on demand. And I think this is a great example of how you can take a design that's worked well like this here, but reimagine that for a specific niche, like we're talking about here, this hunting theme. And of course, we can change out the word dad to be grandpa or papa, or whatever we want to do here. Here's another example of this as well. As you can see, slightly changing this up a little bit, but as you can see, we're definitely keeping that camo style, definitely keeping the dad name, but adding in a more micro niche element here. That is a great combination when we're trying to apply this for Father's Day. All right, so I already have my image done. I have my background removed. I upscale my image here. And now I'm going to hop over into Printify, and we're going to be focused on selling the Bella Plus Canvas t-shirt, which is perfect for our design that we're creating for Father's Day. That being said, I can head over to the Bella Plus Canvas 3001 series shirt. Go ahead and start with Printify choices. This is going to give you the best option in regards to price with production and shipping. Now we have our design uploaded to Printify. We can see that came out extremely well. We can see the DPI level is high as well, as we have 300 DPI. That's why I said this is a perfect design to sell for a Father's Day product. We can preview this and see how this looks once it's fully printed out. I think that came out extremely well. Here are also some quick example of some mock-ups I would use for this to really showcase my product well here. But as you can see, just from a design perspective, this came out extremely well. Again, we can change the name to dad, to papa. We can even change the name to a personalized name if you want. We can put some text at the bottom. Overall, I think that came out extremely well. We can save this and get this ready to go to sell for Father's Day. Now, let me share with you some more examples of products that are selling well during Father's Day that I really think you should focus on. Here's a great example of another product that's doing well. Funny dad tees are always going to do well. And we can see this great example here where it says, "This is my garage shirt." Anything that has a popular phrase on it is going to be a product in many ways people search up based upon that phrase in itself. And so we can redesign this in multiple ways, but as long as we have this phrase on here, I think that is definitely going to drive traffic in our direction. Now, one thing to note as well when we see products like this is that we can actually showcase this design in multiple ways. Yes, we're talking about selling t-shirts right now, but we can see how this can definitely be paired as a group t-shirt type of design. As we can see here, this is bringing in more specifically the children. You'll be surprised that your sales can grow when you showcase other opportunities for designs in that single product, which again is the main place people make tons of sales with group style t-shirts. This is a great example of creating a group style t-shirt all surrounded by the Father's Day theme. Popular phrases and funny phrases is an easy way to make sales in multiple ways, just like how we see in this example here. Here is an example of this design that we just changed to fit another variation. Again, I think anything with a popular phrase on there is good. You can change this up to fit any design style or bring in any element. But as you can see, when you add in that phrase, that's definitely going to be something people type in, definitely going to be something people search up. And we can change this and reimagine this to be different ways and different themes and different elements. But I think this came out great here. It still says, "This is my garage shirt." Again, we know that to be a popular phrase as we've seen here, but definitely changing this up to fit our theme like we have here. Now, here is another example of a Father's Day design that I think is doing extremely well. And definitely when you combine just not Father's Day, but even with another micro niche that can do well. Here's a great example of this. This is a great design that's clearly doing well with sales and views and definitely doing well with favorites. We can see this is definitely bringing in the Bible verse theme here, but with the overall style, this is definitely geared towards a Father's Day type of design here, which was actually in the title of this listing. But as you can see, that unique art style of this Western type of theme in the middle, as well as with the textile in the Bible verse, is a very popular trend I see to do well on Etsy, and definitely could be a great lineup in regards to selling these type of designs for Etsy for Father's Day. Here is another Father's Day type of Christian and niche theme design that again do extremely well. I think this is a great pairing with Father's Day and Christian niche. As you can see here, this has been around for a while, but definitely made tons of sales, and we can definitely redesign this and restructure this to be our specific version, but it still does pretty good. You can see the cross in the background with the lion here and different words and phrases regarding the father here, which I think is a easy design to recreate and redesign here. But definitely when you combine again the Christian needs with the Father's Day design focus, I think that's an easy win in my humble opinion. And here is our version of the design. I think that came out well, definitely bringing in that popular theme, elements and colors and the overall style of that Western theme, but still bringing in, again, the Bible verse. That could be great in the style for a Father's Day design. Now, here's another popular design we have seen where we're all over Etsy, right? These geese and ducks have been all over the place in all different type of themes and styles. And here's yet another example of how to take what has worked well in the past and reimagine that or remix that. I think this is an easy win in my humble opinion. Very new product, by the way, already getting views and sales and favorites on this. So we can definitely see this is still a trend that is still doing well on Etsy, and I would definitely focus on selling these type of designs for Father's Day as well. And here is an example of our design we just switched out to be for another theme. Popular phrases on here, as you can see, just one more screw. Great for dads who are mechanics and who love working on cars. Again, we're tying in two things here. We're tying in obviously the popular design theme with the geese and the goose, but then we're merging this over to be more specifically for a dad who loves to work on cars or who is a mechanic. This is a great example of trend and merging two things together. And we're also applying a funny phrase into this as well. And here is an example of that product here on a mock-up. As you can see, I think that came out extremely well. So there's definitely tons of opportunities for you to create and sell high quality, best-selling products within the dad niche and really be focused on how you can make these different, but also staying true to what is working. Like the popular names of the dads here, adding in the Christian niche to these designs, taking elements that has worked well in the past and merging them over to add in a funny phrase or even going in further to make this specifically for a micro niche audience like what we see here. I think all of these can definitely change the game for your business. Now, if you want to know the next step of how to create these in multiple ways or how I was able to generate these with AI, I'll share with you all of that in this next video here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.